How can you describe this idea of peak sentiment, and what type of indicators do you look at to sort of get this idea of peak sentiment?
It's a great question. So there's this wonderful quote from Sir John Templeton. He says, bull markets are born on pessimism, they grow on skepticism, they mature on optimism, and they die on euphoria. It's such a wonderful quote. And that's what sentiment and really psychology is all about. Markets are all about psychology fundamentally, but the stories and narratives we tell ourselves and each other, including how we assign value, and value is subjective. So, the best time to buy crypto was immediately after Genesis failed, after they blocked their accounts. It was the worst. It's bleak. The outlook was bleak. Everyone had panic sold. No one left to sell. That's pessimism. And you can see it in the discount to NAV, in ETHE and GBTC, between 30-50%. You could see it. And that was climbing the wall of worry, which is, well, Elizabeth Warren is coming to the crypto army. It was all priced in. Now we're on the opposite side of that. You have literally MSTRs at a premium to NAV. They went from discounts to premiums. It's not just MSTR. It's like every asset class. Many asset classes are expensive. And that's just the nature of how things work. It's unusual to have one asset class pricey and another asset class not pricey. Remember, in 2022, in that bear market, the only assets that worked were cash and energy stocks. Think about that. Like any other asset class did not work. There's no way to avoid the pain. You could have bought a house or commercial real estate. You'd have been screwed on that. Equities, you'd be screwed on that. If you bought bonds, you'd be screwed on that too. Think about that. Because bonds were 10 years at 1.5%. So all asset classes priced higher at the top of a bubble. Okay? We're not there yet. Things are expensive, but we're not there yet.
Got it.
So, but that's the kind of concept around peak sentiment.